Thanksgiving turkey. So I have here about an 18 and a half pound turkey. And what we're going to do is we're going to inject it. I didn't brine it, anything like that. I'm going to inject it. What I'm going to inject it with is I have 2 sticks of butter that I melted down. I have some onion powder, garlic powder. Got a little bit of sage. I have a little bit of rosemary and a little bit of cumin. We're going to go ahead and inject the bird, and then we're going to smother the top of it. And then I'm going to take my Willow Seasonings Sweet Heat. I'm going to put a nice little lid on top of that. And we're going to smoke this at 300 degrees for probably anywhere between 3 to 4 hours, depending on how long it takes. The colder weather, it takes a little bit longer to smoke. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to get the injection in there. Now, it doesn't matter. It's a little warm, but it's not hot. So you're not going to start cooking the bird. But, alright. Now I've got the legs, got the wings done, got the breasts all done. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of that. And just going to paint the top of the bird. Now I'm going to be cooking it on the rack today. And just simple purposes, I'm not trying to get anything burnt on the bottom there. And it also makes it easier to maneuver and turn the turkey because it is a big bird. That's it. Now we got the sweet heat. I'm not going to put a lot on. You can only eat, depending on how much you put on there, the more you put on, the more flavor you're going to get, the more heat you're going to get. Alright folks, while the bird is cooking, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share us with your friends, check us out on Patreon, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See my latest posts. And also do me a favor, go to thermopro.com, and if you type in the Happy Eats 15, you'll get 15% off your purchase price. And you can get that digital meat thermometer. I look forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Alrighty, welcome back. Okay, so we have hit 165 on one side of the breast and 172 on the other. We are done on this cook. We're going to go ahead and get this bird out of here. Oh yeah. Look at the color on that. That's got some great color on there. That skin looks fantastic. I already got my little helpers down here. They're ready to help me. They're ready for a taste test. Pull back on the legs. Oh yeah, look at that just coming right off. Beautiful wing. Alright, I want to take a piece of this breast meat here. I just want to see how good we did. Oh my goodness. Oh, folks, look at that. Look at that juice coming out of there. Can you bring the camera in closer? Just look at it. Look at this juice coming out of it. My helpers have been so good today. We got to give them all a little piece. Here we go. There you go. Shadow, you want a piece? There we go. All right. Well, folks, just to recap, I did everything. Just to recap, I got 2 sticks of butter, seasoning. I'll leave a link and everything in the description below. I'll leave the whole recipe in below. But there you go. Our smoker set at 300 degrees. We started at right around 12 o'clock. It is now 4:30. So it was just roughly 4.5 hour cook on an 18-pound bird. All right, folks. I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, share us with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.